Ever look up at the night sky, overwhelmed by the sheer amount of twinkling stars? Tried deciphering constellations, those seemingly random patterns that have captivated humanity for millennia? Maybe you even stumbled upon a set of twins, Castor and Pollux, the celestial duo that forms the constellation Gemini. But have you ever wondered, what's the story behind the name Gemini? Because let's face it, Gemini sounds cool, but it doesn't exactly scream astronomy lesson. It sounds more like a sleek sports car or a daring new brand of sneakers. Well, buckle up, because the true meaning of Gemini takes us on a journey through mythology, language, and the very essence of twinship itself. The answer, like most things in history, lies in the past. Gemini originates from the Latin word geminis, which means twins. This makes perfect sense, considering the constellation itself depicts the heavenly twins. But the story doesn't begin there. Geminis itself stems from the Proto-Indo-European root gene dash, which translates to, you guessed it, twin. This root is the linguistic grandparent of Gemini, stretching its lineage back thousands of years. The concept of twins has fascinated cultures across the globe since the dawn of time. Seen as a symbol of duality, mirroring, and the unexplainable bond between siblings born at the same time, twins held a special place in mythology. In Greek mythology, for instance, Castor and Pollux were the sons of Zeus, the king of the gods. Their tale is one of sacrifice, brotherly love, and the power of immortality. Castor, the mortal twin, met his demise in battle, leaving Pollux heartbroken. Zeus, moved by their bond, granted Castor partial immortality, allowing them to spend eternity together, alternating between the heavens and the underworld. This myth perfectly embodies the constellation Gemini, two celestial bodies forever intertwined. However, the influence of Gemini goes way beyond constellations and Greek myths. The word has seeped into various aspects of our lives, a testament to its enduring legacy. In astrology, Gemini represents the third astrological sign, associated with communication, duality, and adaptability. People born under this sign are often known for their quick wit, social skills, and curious nature. The influence of Gemini can also be found in the scientific realm. The Gemini Project, a historic NASA mission launched in 1965, saw two identical spacecraft fly in close formation, studying the nature of space radiation. The project's name, a clear reference to the concept of twins, perfectly captured the essence of the mission, two vessels working in unison to gather groundbreaking information. The impact of Gemini extends to the world of business as well. Many companies incorporate Gemini into their names, suggesting a focus on collaboration, innovation, or the ability to offer two distinct services. From tech startups to consulting firms, the word evokes a sense of partnership and the power of working in tandem. So, the next time you gaze upon the constellation Gemini, remember that it's not just two twinkling stars. It's a symbol that stretches back millennia, a testament to the enduring power of twinship, duality, and the ever-present fascination with the mysteries of the universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.